this airbag. I think probably this is what it was causing me, some air leak, even though it looks like it's not an old one. You can see the shiny on that, and then plastic does not look old. Rubber looks good. It's just, look at the way it's just sitting there. I'm gonna have to figure it out how we're gonna fix that. Maybe take it out. I don't know. Try lift it first and see. And then I tried, you know, I was lifting with this right here, but I only picked up the back, so maybe I gotta find another spot in the more on the front to see if that's gonna do it. But here's a look on the back of the rear end, front rear end. It looks like there's a number there. Yep. So let's see what we can do about that. So nothing's happening, but I noticed that, look at the shock. It's got this oil, so maybe oil leak on that, so maybe the shock is gone. And then look underneath here. See the shriness around the washer. That tells you this bag has been bad for a while. So I'm gonna have to look into that too. And definitely there's something going on. I'm gonna try and see if I can get this thing over, which is not that easy. I jacked it up already, but still nothing's happening, so I've gotta jack up probably more. Alright, so I lifted the crap out of this thing. Still not all the way up, but you can see that my bag is kind of getting shape now. And hopefully when it goes down, it'll go down the way it needs to be. I'm thinking leaving it there like that for a while for the rubber to just kind of straighten out. Maybe spray some soapy oil water around here. I don't know if that's gonna help or not, but I had to use my other jack there, 20-ton jack, so just lift up the other side and just to get it up. But it's working it. That's about all. It looks like when I was lifting, this thing wanted to kind of come out. So I'm gonna keep it there for now. And I'm not on any of the car, I'm just letting the bag kind of stretch out. Obviously changing both of the back airbags. And we're gonna have to work on, well, it's a good lesson. I had no idea that when I lifted, it gave me so much more space to work underneath this. I like that. Wow, because I was thinking to remove my fifth wheel plate, which that's a nightmare. But looks like just by lifting, look how much space it gives me underneath there. Probably even an extra 4-inch space there, maybe more. Yeah, I like that. So that means we're gonna have to get some kind of a supporting blocks to make sure it's keeping it that way. So, self-taught, guys. First time doer. I don't know what else I can say. Let's work it out. I removed the two bags. Both of the bags are here. Rust buckets. Bolts are busted out. Might be the originals. But look at the rubber on the bottom. It's not worth it. It just never hold up air. And how rusted it is. Anyway, let's look at the backs. This bag, like I said, it looks like it's been replaced, so they probably replaced them, maybe not at the same time, but possible, because this one says Peterbilt on it and the other one says Goodyear, so you can see the other one back in there. It looks a little newer, but they both look fresh, as in the rubber. It's not no freight, so I'm kind of happy about that. I just didn't like the way that was sitting, and it was probably not airing up. I'm not sure if that's the case or not, but just crap. Anyway.